Labafundi bekade bevaleleke eUkraine bathi ekugcineni bakwazile ukubuyela ekhaya bephephile yize kubathathe izinsuku kuba babuyele kuleli.
It's been a 5 or 6 day trip. Minimum sleep. I feel quite overwhelmed, but I'm really glad to be home. We didn't think we'd be home, honestly. From being in trains to seeing bombs to being stuck in borders for -3 conditions, sleeping on the floor without having food.
Labafundi bachaze ngesimo ababebhekene naso.
Traveling for 4 days, not having proper food, no water, fighting for our lives, fighting other people, people trying to fight you, people stealing food, people fighting each other to get on trains, the racism at the borders, the low temperatures, freezing cold, us having to sleep on the streets.
Babonga kakhulu abantu baseHungary njengoba bebebanakekela bebanika ngisho ukudla.
I must thank the people in Hungary, especially Peter. As soon as we arrived, the hospitality was amazing. We got taken care of, given food, water, shelter. That was nice to experience that kind of hospitality.
Umama kaMandisa uthi ujabule kakhulu ngokuthi sebebuyile, uthi bekunzima kakhulu emndenini kodwa bebethandaza bengaphezi.
It was very difficult for us as family, but we had to pray and trust God that He is protecting them. Not only Mandisa, all of them. I was praying for all of them. I was even praying for the whole of Ukraine. So God is so wonderful. God is so wonderful. He's so faithful. Yes, all I can say, I thank God.
Labafundi bathi bazofuna ezinye izikhungo zemfundo ukuze bakwazi ukuqhubeka neziqu zabo zobudokotela njengoba besebenza unyaka wesine eUkraine. Bathi kuzoba nzima ukufaka izicelo kwezinye izikhungo.